Hi everyone, this is Josh from Apocalypse Equipped. I want to show you an interesting little piece of technology. This is the MrGhost antenna. It goes onto an iPad or an iPhone, and this is the corresponding software. It's an electronic magnetic radiation detector. It's baselining around somewhere between 6 and 10 at the moment. When you get into the software, it describes what that actually means. It's the RMH value, and I'll show you what it does. Let me go to my Christmas tree here. So as I bring the sensor over to the lights, you can see that it's picking it up, spiking in time with the lights. So there's that little red one right there. That's its reading, and as it pulses, getting the radiation reading up there. Now it's not too sensitive. I'm 2 or 3 inches away from that light there, so getting that reading. But if I step back, it'll drop right off, back down to our base level over here. If I put the sensor up to one of these lights on the ceiling, and that's touching. Then if I back right off, different readings. Over here to my computer, a couple of drives down here. I get close to the portable hard drive. Again, it spikes. You can see the spectrum reading stays very baseline. It's on. It's not doing a whole lot. However, it's putting out a steady EM rating. Speakers. Does very little. Over here there's a laptop. It's on, but it's just sitting idling. So it's raised, but nothing too striking. So it's an interesting little tool. Lets you, with your handheld device, measure the EM spectrums around you. Also has a couple of different modes. So that's a flat rating there. If I scroll along, it gives me a radar type sensor, where the fields are, and see it fades. Oh, there's something over there. What is that? That's my Christmas tree. Once again, if I start arcing around, lots of blue over here. My big TV, surprisingly little. So there's the radar function, and there's also another swipe, a whole screen color effect, where it lights up in a blue to red to white scale with the magnitude of the EM radiation that it's detecting. So here, my computer, pretty quiet. This drive goes from warm to hot when you get right up next to it. Over here again to that laptop. Just the faintest inklings of some power going on there. Thought I might take it into the kitchen. Fridge, not much. Microwave, nothing when it's off. But then, in our laundry, a washing machine, which we're fairly certain has a problem. So it's arcing up there. Similarly, a PowerPoint. But you'd expect that. PowerPoints have EM radiation going, especially when they're on and being used. Here's a multi-adapter that's strung up with our Christmas lights. You can see that when you write on it, it does spike. And the cables also spike, but not too high. So, the MrGhost EM detector interesting little tool for gauging the EM output of various household devices. It's not a scientific analysis tool, but it certainly has its place if you're interested in what EM radiation is in your house, at home, and wherever you are. A fun little gadget. So this has been Josh from Apocalypse Equipped. Thanks for watching.